My hair used to look fine, but it never looked healthy. You know that difference? Not damaged enough to panic, but not soft, not shiny, not giving that effortless glow either. It felt dry by evening, frizzy in photos, and somehow dull no matter what product I used. So instead of buying more products, I changed my routine. And within weeks, my hair became softer, smoother, and actually shiny without salon treatments or expensive oils. So if your hair feels dry, rough, or lifeless, this routine might change everything. Most people think shiny hair comes from products. It doesn't. Shiny hair comes from hair cuticle health. Your hair strand has tiny layers called cuticles. When they lie flat, hair reflects light and it shines. When they're raised, hair looks dull and frizzy. So the goal isn't more products. The goal is protecting the cuticle. Step 1. Washing hair less aggressively. First change I made. I stopped attacking my hair while washing. Most people scratch scalp aggressively, pile hair on top of head, use hot water. All of this roughens the cuticle. What I did instead: massage scalp gently with fingertips. Let shampoo run through lengths naturally. Use lukewarm water. Your scalp needs cleaning and your ends need protection. Immediate difference, less dryness. Step 2. Conditioner technique. This changed everything. I used conditioner before, but incorrectly. The trick: apply conditioner, leave for 3 to 5 minutes, then dead angle gently. Conditioner softens the hair shaft, reducing breakage. Detangling dry or barely conditioned hair causes micro damage you don't notice immediately. Also, only apply conditioner mid-length to ends, never the scalp. Step 3. The 60-second cold rinse. I know people hate hearing this, but a quick cool rinse helps flatten the cuticle. Flat cuticle equals more shine. You don't need freezing water, just slightly cool for the final minute. This alone made my hair reflect light differently. Step 4. Post-wash routine. This is where most damage happens. Hair is weakest when wet, so I stopped doing these. Rough towel drying, tight buns on wet hair, aggressive brushing. Instead, blot hair gently with microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. Apply lightweight leave-in conditioner. Use wide tooth combs starting from ends. Less breakage equals smoother hair over time. Step 5. Night routine nobody talks about. Your pillow can destroy your hair slowly. Cotton creates friction. Switching to satin or silk pillowcase. It reduces frizz, moisture loss, and tangling overnight. This was one of the fastest visible improvements. Morning hair looked calmer instantly. Step 6. Oil the right way, not daily. Oil isn't magic. It works when used correctly. Instead of daily oiling, I used oil as a pre-wash treatment once a week. Light oil on ends, leave 30 minutes wash. This protects hair during shampooing. Hair felt softer after every wash. The biggest glow-up came from stopping damage. Heat styling every day. Overwashing. Trying viral products weekly. Brushing dry curls or waves harshly. Consistency beats experimentation. Healthy hair shines because smooth surfaces reflect light evenly. When hair is hydrated and protected, cuticles stay flat. Moisture stays inside. Friction reduces. Breakage decreases. That's softness and shine. Not magic oils. Just better habits. Your hair doesn't need 25 products. It needs gentler treatment. Small changes repeated consistently create the biggest glow-ups. Try this routine for 2 weeks. And watch your hair start looking expensive, naturally. Glowvelle girls don't chase perfection. We build healthy beauty slowly.